Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today I just want to show you guys that I installed the switch panel. The brand is PrimeLux. Mounted on top of the fuse cover on my 2025 Tundra. I pretty much put a wire loom right here to make that clean look. I mounted it right here. I wired it. Wire right here. See right here. Comes down here. It's all in there. You got to remove that grommet. And pretty much comes down here. The cable right here. Put that connection right here. Pretty much it's a 3M tape. I don't like putting holes through my car, so I just put a 3M tape, the one they provided, and it's pretty sturdy. Yeah. There you go. Pretty much it's saved. See? So if I want to turn on my ditch lights, pretty much automatic save. So I turn it off. I turn it on. There we go. Yep. Yeah, pretty much right there. This one here is pretty much my light bar. Oh no, sorry, my Raptor lights. The one right here, the one I got from Creative Off-Road. This one here, the 10-amp fuse, is coming up for the ditch lights. Yeah. Ditch lights. Oh yeah. Look at that.